the start of a friendship. The beginning of a special connection between two species. A journey full of promise. Opening ourselves to the wonders of life. Celebrating together the world we share. What can we learn from each other? What can we discover within ourselves?
My name is Harry Jeremy. I'm a commercial fisherman. Been doing this for 50 plus years. It's in our blood to fish shrimp. We've been doing this in our fourth generation, and we're looking forward to keep doing it. Dolphins are really a part of life down here as far as I see. When I'm shrimping and I see schools of dolphins, it's exciting because there's life there.
I'm Ray McCormick, and I'm from Vincennes, Indiana. Everything I do on the farm has an impact in the environment. Every stream on my farm, every river connects up. The Wabash connects with the Ohio, that connects with the Mississippi, that connects with the Gulf. We're all interlinked. And when soil comes into this river, it carries a lot of nutrients with it. That water and the quality of that water impacts the dolphins in the Gulf.
And it's creating a dead zone. It's getting bigger and bigger. It's a serious problem. We used to catch thousands of pounds a day here, and we don't see that anymore. Not good for the dolphins. The dolphins won't stay in it, and eventually if it gets too big, then where are the dolphins going to go?
As a landowner and a farmer and a conservationist, I care about all living things. And I understand the relationship between what I do and what impact it has on the Gulf. So I have a great feeling of responsibility to take care of my water and my nutrients, building a healthy soil so that when it rains and we get these hard pounding rains, that most of that water goes right down into the soil where it belongs. What you buy and put on your lawn, where the water goes off your driveway, what happens to the water off of your roof, what happens to the water at the golf course, at the park, at the ball diamond. Every drop counts. To keep our soils in place, keep the water on the landscape, that's what's going to help these dolphins in the Gulf.
We take care of Mother Nature to take care of us. We need to do what's right.
No matter our differences, the blue thread of water connects us all with a common element of life and a universal purpose. Like a flowing river driven by each drop of water, together we have the power to make a difference. Each day gives us a new moment to appreciate the wonder of life and a chance to enhance the future of the world we share.